Hi everyone, are you utilizing the 3 C's found in maintenance? Now, you might be looking at me a little sideways. Trust me, I realize there is only one C in the spelling of the word maintenance, and that yes, it does start with the letter M. What I'm referring to is the 3 most likely responses to a simple, easy, non-threatening question you can ask your customers during an interview that can not only help you increase your prepaid maintenance attachment rates, but also uncover your customers' true buying motives for the entire suite of F&I products that you offer. Now the question is this: Mr. and Mrs. Customer, where do you take your current vehicle or the vehicle you're trading in for its routine scheduled maintenance? The answer will almost certainly fall into one of 3 categories that I call the 3 C's. Number 1, cost, a place that is cheap and cost effective. For example, those familiar names that advertise the $39 oil change specials. The customer is letting you know that price is their most important factor in the choice of where they take their car and that they are driven by a good bargain. Number 2, convenience, a place that is conveniently located or caters to the customer's perception of time or provides a quick lane or drive-through service like an instant oil change center. This customer is letting you know that they value their time and ease of getting in and out more than their money. They have a lot on their plate and they just prefer to get it done where and when they can in the middle of their busy week. Number 3, care, a place that the customer can bring the vehicle for a reputable, high level of service and care, a place that the customer knows will warranty or guarantee the work. The most important thing to this customer is that the work is done right. The experience is smooth and professional. They know that vehicle ownership is expensive and that upkeep is part of the process. They're looking for a place and people that they can trust. Regardless of the customer's answer to that question, you can now pivot to building value in your PPM products in a way the customer sees the most value. And beyond that, you can now position your VSC and other products in a way that will resonate with them much more effectively. For instance, if your customer answers that convenience is paramount to them, we can now highlight not only the effectiveness of our PPM programs, but also the hassle-free experience that it provides them when they return to our service drive. We can also then prepare to highlight all the convenience-related benefits of our VSC and all of the other products to let them know how much easier these products can make their life when the unavoidable occurs. Whatever the customer's response to this question is, you now have one of the most powerful "you told me's" that you can return to in your menu presentation and in your objection handling techniques. So, F&I managers, in your customer interview process, start asking your customer where they get their current vehicle serviced and why. If you pause and listen, your customer will tell you exactly what they see value in and which buttons to push in your menu presentation. I'm Josh Krach with the Automotive Training Academy. Thank you for watching.